welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. And to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel, look for the hotspot toggle. For me, it looks like it's right over here on the second page. So once you find it, if you're doing this the first time around, and based on the fact that you're watching this video, you most likely are, you want to hold this little toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you can see things like your Wi-Fi password, which without checking it, you have no way of knowing what it is. Now there's two options. You can either use the one that is randomly generated right here, or the better option is to go into the settings right here, then select the password and completely remove it and set your own. There we go. At which point you will be able to save it. Additionally, you can change things like the Wi-Fi name right here and AP band, though this will the 2.4 is basically used by every device, so if you're not sure what device that you will be connecting to this supports, you can, as an example, turn on 5 GHz, and if that device just simply doesn't see any kind of hotspot by this name right here, that means that it does not support it, and all you would need to do is go back here, drop it back to 2.4, and everything should work just fine. Now 2.4 is basically used by any device that has Wi-Fi connectivity, while the 5 GHz will not be, but it is a faster and more stable connection that newer devices support. Once you went through all the settings and customize them to your liking, click on the checkbox right here, and you can close this. And when you want to use your hotspot, simply find it in your notification panel, tap on it to turn it on, and there you go. You can now connect to your hotspot whenever you need to. And one additional thing, once you're done with the hotspot, you do want to toggle it off. Hotspot does consume a little bit more of your battery life, so there is really no reason to run it in the background if you're not using it. So like you just see, tap on that toggle to turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.